Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 1 divided by x is equal to 27 to the power of x. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 1 over x on both sides. So now we have 1 over x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 27 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is simply equal to a to the power of m times n. So as you can see here, we have 27 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x. This would equal 27 to the power of x times 1 over x. When for x times 1 over x, these x's simply cancel out, and we are simply left with 1. So this would be 1 over x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 27 to the power of 1. Now 27, this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. So now we have 1 over x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So as you can see here, 1 over x is a in this case, and 3 is b, meaning 1 over x is equal to 3. Now, if I multiply both sides by x, these two cancel out, and I get 1 is equal to 3x. Now, if I divide by both sides by 3, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 1 over 3. So this is our answer. Now, to check, let's plug in x in this equation. So now we have 1 over 3 is equal to 27 to the power of 1 over 3. Now, 27 to the power of 1 over 3 is the same thing as the cube root of 27. And the cube root of 27 is 3. So now we have 3 is equal to, now 1 over 3 is the same thing as 3. So 3 equals 3. Because this is right, we know that our solution is right. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 64. So now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 4 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. So now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? And a to the power of m times n is also equal to a to the power of n times m. Meaning I could rewrite this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So right here, as you see, we have x to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 4. Think of x to the power of 4 as m and 4 as n. I could actually switch the places of these two, meaning I could rewrite this as x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4. And this is equal to, now I'm going to rewrite 64 as 8 squared. So now we have 8 squared to the power of 4. Now remember, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. Meaning a to the power of 2 to the power of 4, this is equal to 8 to the power of 2 times 4, which is 8 to the power of 8. So if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, and then this also means that a is equal to b. And as you can see right here, we have x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 8 to the power of 8. This means that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. So now to cancel this power out, I'm actually going to take the root of 4 on both sides. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to positive or negative square root of, sorry, not square root, root 4 of 8. And this can also be written as 8 to the power of 1/4. And this can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/4. And remember, we multiply m with n, so this is equal to 2 to the power of 3/4. So this is our answer.